So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you as a business owner can go and build a story for your brand and get it over to your clients so they can actually see it and they can see what your story is of your business and how your business is different than other businesses. So the first part in this process we're going to start is how you can actually go and craft a story. So when you go and craft your story, there's a few questions you need to ask yourself before you get started. The first question is, can you describe your business in 2 sentences? And what is those 2 sentences? Go and get a really short description of your business, and then you know what you're working with, what your business is. So the next question you can ask is, what makes your business unique? Only 2 sentences as well. What goes and differentiates your business from another business? The next question is, where do you see your business in 5 years? And where do you plan to take your business in 5 years? So let's say you are a restaurant at the moment. In 5 years, you may be planning to let's say, go and franchise your business out. You must set up your marketing strategy in a way that you can actually, in those 5 years, be making the videos today for the next 5 years. So people won't be let's say in the next 3 years, be looking at today's content, and though the content will be out of date. So make content that will be in or up to date within the next 5 years as well. The next question is, what is the value of your business? Do you have specific values you maybe have in your business? Let's say maybe your business is a Christian business, or you maybe have another religion business. What is the values in your business that you want your clients to know? So the next part is, what platforms are you going to use to successfully go and tell your stories? You already have now a little summary of what your business is with the questions you've asked yourself. You wrote it down on a piece of paper. So then let's quickly run through some of the social medias that we use. TikTok is great for short daily videos. So let's say you have maybe a restaurant or something, or a bar or a club or something in that line that can make a lot of short videos, and you can go and create daily content on TikTok. Is going to work great for you. So then go and try to post at least 4 to 6 times a day. So the next platform is Instagram. So Instagram is a bit more photo orientated. So if you maybe have a coffee shop, something like that, you can get content out maybe daily, but not as much as on TikTok. Instagram is the place for you to use to maybe take a picture of a cake you have, a coffee you have, anything in that line that you can take nice pictures of, food, etc. So the next one is Facebook. So Facebook and Instagram goes hand on hand. Instagram is a function that you can double post onto Facebook if you're just getting started, so that I would highly recommend. Facebook is great for communities. So let's say you have a business and your clients, let's say a restaurant business again, and you want to market in your community. Facebook is the best medium to use for that. And Facebook has a lot of groups on there you can go and reshare the content onto to go and do some free marketing for your Facebook page. So the next one is LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a more professional platform. So let's say you're going to do business to business advertising and you want to craft your story in that niche. So then go and use LinkedIn and use LinkedIn videos. That's a new feature that came out in the last few months or years and so. Go and use LinkedIn videos to go and get in front of your competition, as there's a really small competition in the video niche on LinkedIn at the moment. So the next one is YouTube. So YouTube is great for long form storytelling. If you maybe have a brand or something that you have a podcast, let's say maybe you're doing a cosmetic brand that you own and you're going and interviewing celebrities, stuff like that, use YouTube. And you can also use YouTube to go and cut the videos to put content on TikTok and on Instagram as well. So YouTube is a great platform to use to go and repurpose contents for other platforms. So make sure to go and take a look at YouTube. YouTube is great for, as I said, long form storytelling. So you can really go and make not even a documentary, but long interviews, anything you desire that fits your business to get the story over. So the next one is how you can actually go, what we would suggest to go and do. Let's say you're a consumer brand. So Facebook and Instagram is going to be a must for you guys. So let's say you maybe have a way you can create a podcast or something. You can use YouTube as well to create a little bit longer videos, but Facebook and Instagram is going to be your daily bread and butter. TikTok can also tie into consumer brands as well. It ties great in with, let's say, cosmetic companies or anything in that line that maybe makes how-to videos. Or maybe if you have a brand that is like, let's say you're creating a sporty t-shirt brand and you're giving it to guys to do motocross videos and stuff like that, TikTok can also work great for those type of businesses. So the other one is a B2B business. So when marketing business to business, YouTube is almost a must. So let's say like we are doing with marketing services, go and create more long form videos on how to maybe do marketing, or let's say your accounting firm, how to do certain accounting stuff like that. Create longer videos, and you can also take those videos and then repurpose them for LinkedIn if you don't want to go and create extra content as well. But try to create extra content for LinkedIn as well, and use LinkedIn's blog posts. Go and write a little article about certain topics. You can go and give free value to your clients. So the next one is Facebook as well. You can also use Facebook for B2B in a shorter way, and you can also post your videos onto Facebook as Facebook can also take longer videos. So always when you're creating content, keep in mind that you need to bring value to the customer. So if you don't bring value to the customer, what is the purpose that customers or maybe future customers are going to look at your videos? So make sure you bring value to people in the daily content that you post, and you're not selfish and just post random stuff. So make sure you tell a story through your content and you bring value to your customers and future customers.